Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about lactose intolerance. So, lactose intolerance is a condition in which a person can't properly digest lactose, the natural sugar found in milk and dairy products. This happens because the body produces too little of an enzyme called lactase, which is needed to break down lactose in the small intestine. How lactase break lactose? What lactase does? Lactase is an enzyme on the small intestine lining. It breaks lactose milk sugar into smaller sugars. Biochemistry of the split. Lactose is cut into glucose and galactose. These monosaccharides are absorbed into the blood easily. If lactase is low, lactose stays undigested and moves to the large intestine. Gut bacteria ferment it, causing gas and watery stools. When lactase is low, lactase not break down. Low lactase means lactose stays undigested in a small intestine. Undigested lactose then moves into the large intestine. Bacteria ferment lactose. Gut bacteria use lactose as food, making gas. This raises pressures causing cramps and discomfort. Water pulled into gut. Lactose draws water into the colon by osmosis. Water stools can occur diarrhea. Common symptoms bloating, abdominal pain, and loud bowel sounds after diarrhea. Symptoms often starts within half hour to 2 hours. Why lactase can be low? Age-related drop, genetic programming, secondary lactase loss. So first, age-related drop. After childhood, many intestines make less lactase. Less enzymes means lactose stays unbroken in the gut. Second, genetic programming. Genes control whether lactase stay on in adulthood. Some populations are more often lactase persistent. Secondary lactase loss. Gut infections or inflammation can damage small intestine lining. Injury lowers lactase temporarily until the lining heals. Managing lactose intolerance. First, choose safer dairy. Second, use lactase when needed. Third, keep calcium and vitamin D. So first, choose safer dairy options. Use lactose-free milk, yogurt, or hard cheeses. Start with small portions. Stop if symptoms appear. Second, use lactase when needed. Take lactase enzymes before dairy to split lactose. Works best with lactose, not for milk protein allergy. Third, keep calcium and vitamin D. Get calcium from 40 feed drinks, tofu, greens, almonds. Add vitamin D, sunlight, or 40 field foods as advised. Lactose intolerance keys. Code idea. Lactose intolerance is equal to too little lactase enzymes. Lactase is made in the small intestine lining. Biochemistry is one step. Biochemistry in one step. Lactase splits lactose into glucose plus galactose. Without it, lactose reaches colon undigested. Why symptoms happens? Gut bacteria ferment lactose, producing gas and acids. Water flows, lactose, bloating, cramps, diarrhea. Smart management. Choose lactose free dairy or take lactase tablets. Get calcium and vitamin D from other foods. Thank you.